Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best food processor is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own, capable of chopping, slicing, dicing, pureeing, and more, making meal preparation a breeze and opening up a world of culinary possibilities. This video will explore a variety of delicious and easy recipes you can make with your food processor, transforming your cooking experience from tedious to enjoyable, and showing you how to unlock its full potential to create restaurant-quality meals at home. Number 5. Food Processor 75. It's more than just a food processor, it's your new culinary companion. Prepare to discover a world of effortless cooking and endless possibilities. Say goodbye to tedious prep work. It handles even the toughest ingredients with ease and precision, saving you valuable time. Create velvety smooth soups and refreshing smoothies in seconds. It blends ingredients to perfection, every single time. It kneads dough for perfect bread and effortlessly whips up creamy sauces. The possibilities are truly endless. Cleanup is a breeze. Most parts are dishwasher safe, making post-cooking a simple task. Unlock a world of culinary creativity with 75 amazing recipes. It's your key to delicious and diverse meals. What we like? It's incredibly versatile and has a huge variety of recipes. If you're looking to expand your culinary skills and make the most of your food processor, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced cooks who want to explore new possibilities in the kitchen. This will unlock your food processor's full potential and inspire you with countless recipe ideas. What people say. The recipes were easy to follow, and actually worked. The book has great illustrations and explains how to get the most out of your food processor. Different techniques and tricks for minimizing cleanup: plastic wrap over the bowl, the tips throughout, some I already knew, some were aha moments: processing water with a few drops of soap to clean the bowl. Why didn't I think of this? The recipes. Having tried what seems like a gazillion test kitchen recipes and never once having a failure, knock on wood, I'm quite confident that my family will love of the shrimp burgers and even the meatless black bean burgers. This book helped me learn to use it. The recipes are interesting and easy to follow. Number 4. 650 Best Food Processor Recipes. It has 650 delicious recipes. Let it inspire your next culinary adventure. It simplifies meal preparation. Spend less time cooking and more time enjoying. From appetizers to desserts, it offers a wide array of options. Explore countless possibilities. It helps you create healthy and delicious meals. Enjoy flavorful and nutritious food. It's suitable for all skill levels. Anyone can create restaurant-quality dishes. It saves you valuable time in the kitchen. Reclaim your evenings and weekends. What we like? This one boasts an impressive collection of recipes. If you're seeking a wide array of options to explore, this is your go-to resource. It caters to diverse tastes and skill levels, ensuring there's something for everyone. You'll never be short of inspiration for delicious food processor creations. What people say. The other day I used the fast and easy pizza dough recipe to come up with a deep dish gluten-free pizza. I used our ramekins and pressed the dough into those, then partially baked the dough until it was just starting to turn brown. Then I added my toppings, put the ramekins back in the oven and finished baking. If you know anything about gluten-free dough, you know it's hard to work with and you don't always get great results. But using gluten-free flour, the recipe in this book gave me a delicious crust that was crispy on the outside, yet soft inside. Yesterday I tried the potato leek cheese soup and it was amazing. Last week my husband tried the macadamia-crusted salmon and we really enjoyed it. With 650 fabulous recipes and being forced to pretty much stay home and come up with exciting meals during the current pandemic, we expect to be happily busy for quite a while. Don't worry that there aren't a lot of fancy color photos in this book. Wouldn't you rather spend your money on a lot of great recipes than pretty pictures? We would. Oh, by the way, I also found that the tips included in some of the recipes were very helpful. Each one uses the food processor efficiently and without exotic ingredients. Nice selection of recipes and a section on how to prep veggies, fruits, nuts, etc. in a food processor, including which foods not to process. Hopefully, just what I needed to get more variety in my menus and make the process of cooking easier. Number 3. Family Cookbook Food Processor. Welcome to the world of effortless cooking. This cookbook is your guide to creating delicious meals quickly and easily using your food processor. Discover 120 simple recipes designed for busy families. It's all about fresh, homemade goodness without the fuss. Say goodbye to processed foods. This cookbook empowers you to make everything from scratch, using your food processor to simplify the process. Learn clever techniques to save time in the kitchen. It's all about maximizing efficiency and minimizing prep time. Explore a wide range of recipes, from appetizers to desserts. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Create delicious meals the whole family will love. It's perfect for busy weeknights and special occasions. What we like. It focuses on quick and easy family meals. If you're busy but still want to cook healthy, homemade food, this cookbook is perfect. It simplifies the process, making it ideal for those with limited time but a desire for delicious, wholesome meals. It's a great resource for busy families who value quality time together. What people say. The recipes are super simple and quick too. In my home, the food processor has often been the forgotten kitchen tool. Using this cookbook, I was able to use my food processor to make everything from soup to sauce to snacks. Best of all, it was all made from scratch. The print was large enough and the recipes were basically one to a page. Not many pictures of the recipes if you are looking for that, but this didn't add to the cost either. I just bought a new processor and I think this will get me started. I also like there are a lot of healthy type recipes. Every recipe I have made works, and works well. Chef Nikki's whimsical voice throughout the book reminds me that cooking can simple and fun. This is a great weekday antidote without sacrificing the outcome of serving a delicious meal. Number 2. Food Processor Cookbook. Welcome to the Food Processor Cookbook. This book is your guide to mastering your food processor and creating delicious meals with ease. Learn essential techniques like slicing, dicing, chopping, and pureeing. It's easier than you think to unlock your food processor's full potential. Discover how to make smooth and creamy soups or rich and flavorful sauces in minutes. It's all about efficiency and delicious results. Create vibrant salads and homemade dressings with perfectly chopped vegetables and herbs. This cookbook shows you how to elevate your salads. From crumbly cookies to fluffy cakes, it unlocks the secrets to baking delicious treats using your food processor. It's surprisingly versatile. Learn to quickly and efficiently prepare meats and poultry using this helpful tool. It's a game changer for meal prep. What we like. It's a comprehensive guide to food processor cooking. If you're a beginner or need a foundational resource, this is an excellent starting point. It provides a solid base of recipes and techniques, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. It's perfect for building your confidence and mastering the basics of food processing. What people say. This book shows the applications in full page, full color photos and delicious recipes. Great pictures and easy to read recipes. Just got a new food processor with attachments, thumbed through this book, and it looks like a lot of recipes I would actually make. Not a how-to but a what to use the processor, and even though I'm a newbie at it, I prefer that. Hardcover but excellent color pictures for each dish. Number 1. Modern Food Processor Recipe Book. Welcome to the Modern Food Processor Recipe Book. Get ready to discover 101 easy and delicious family meals you can make at home. This book is packed with simple recipes perfect for busy weeknights. It's all about making delicious, healthy meals without spending hours in the kitchen. From comforting classics to exciting new dishes, it has something for everyone in your family. You'll find recipes that are both kid-approved and adult-pleasing. Each recipe includes clear, easy-to-follow instructions and helpful tips. Even beginner cooks will find it simple to create restaurant-quality meals. Learn how to save time and effort in the kitchen with this book's helpful shortcuts and techniques. It's all about making meal prep a breeze. It emphasizes fresh, wholesome ingredients and nutritious meals. It's a great resource for anyone looking to eat healthier without sacrificing flavor. What we like. It offers simple and easy family meals. If you're looking for straightforward recipes that are quick to make, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for busy weeknights and those who prefer uncomplicated cooking. It's a great resource for families who want delicious, home-cooked meals without the fuss. What people say. The author goes over where the food processor is and how you use it and clean it. There are many good recipes in this book. They go from soups, appetizers, snacks, and many other things. Lots of great recipes using the food processor. I never knew it could do so many things. This Kindle book carefully explained what a food processor could do and explained how to use it. It also gave a ton of really interesting recipes with step-by-step use of the processor. It was very inexpensive and the book was packed with recipes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.